gosh. Oh my god. Damn it. I'm late. But I look horrible and I want to look nice for my peers, so I have to do makeup. Fine. So let's start off by carving out our brows. Nothing too crazy, just underneath with some concealer. Then I'm brushing through with some brow gel. Now I'm just brushing it through, kind of creating fake hair-like strokes. I'm only using the brush though, not the actual pencil. Afterwards, I'm putting a little bit of foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution fast-based foundation stick. As you can see, it is really fast, so I'm just gonna quickly apply it everywhere and blend it out with a sponge. This will even out the look, but will make me look a bit like a zombie. Zombified. Now I'm just adding a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes where I need it, and around my nose and my mouth. Okay, maybe a lot of concealer, but we'll blend it out, so it's okay. I look like a mess. Blend that she out. And I gotta cover the lids as well, because I have naturally dark eyes. Let's powder it up. Create a nice matte look, nothing too crazy. Do I really need highlight? Yes, I do. Like a lot of highlight. Yes, get it on the nose, the forehead, cupid's bow, tip of the nose, basically anywhere you want. Let me add some blush. This is a really nice warm blush to warm up the face. Count how many times I say warm in this sentence. I'm gonna go overboard because I really do want that sunburnt look. I'm adding a little bit of shadow into the crease to create more definition, and then I'm adding the highlighter shade onto the lids. Makes everything pop, you know? Curl your lashes because we want to look alive. And then add a buttload of mascara because you want to look even more awake. Wait a minute. Whose mascara is this? Saf's. Ah, she stole my makeup again. Putting on some lipstick because we want to look alive. This is like a really nice peachy nude. Put down my hair because I need to cover my shaved sides. And we're done. I can't wait to feel the anxiety setting in again. So this is the final look. Yeah, it's kind of what I usually wear for my everyday go-to school when I don't want to look too crazy for my peers. But overall, it is just a nice, natural, easy makeup look, something that takes about 10 minutes or less. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Bash Harry, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!